So if you're looking for a bunkhouse and you're looking to spend a lot of, this is the one for you. You're looking at a 2024 Flagstaff Classic 832 BWS. This thing costs $55,708. For qualified buyers, we could get this thing to you for about $394 per month. But let's open this thing up, shall we? And we're also gonna open this thing up. Playoff bound, baby, playoff bound. All right, guys, this bunkhouse is goated. One of my favorite campers we have. Really fun fact about this bunkhouse, actually, unlike the 2023 Detroit Lions, this bunkhouse has not won an NFC North divisional title. However, this is probably the most spacious travel trailer bunkhouse on the lot. At the very rear of this camper, behind this door, we have an awesome private playroom for the kiddos. Wowie zowie. Nice and thick, oversized twin mattress in here. We got the ladder tucked underneath that thing. We got a 32-inch TV in here, great for playing video games, watching movies, or watching the playoffs. We got, no cap, we got a nice multifunctional closet right here. You could put your clothes in here, or you could line it with video games and movies, maybe books, could be a bookshelf. Right across, we do have this nice couch area. These pillows are actually supposed to be there, like this. That looks much better. Or this can be folded down and out into like a sweet twin over double bunk bed. Wowie zowie, now we got a nice full bed down below, twin bed up top. Quite simple to disassemble this bed as well. Just tucks back in like a drawer, wowie zowie. Coming back out into the living area. This thing will convert into sleeping. Bada bing, now you got 2 more here and 2 more here. That's 10 spots for sleeping total. As you can see, the kitchen is quite lovely. Extra countertop space over here. We have a super ultra secret hidden power bank John in the corner. And then over here we do have a 3-burner gas stovetop, little oven action, microwave up top, and our sink is under mount so we can wipe our crummies right into there. Heading up into the bedroom area. We actually have, in here we do have our bathroom. It's an ensuite bathroom. Porcelain foot flush down below. A little accent light makes it pretty vibey in here. Corner shower with a nice big skylight. Pacing through the other door of the bathroom, we got our looks like a double bed here, not quite a queen. It's a really nice mattress in there, actually. Pretty good weeding lights in here. They are equipped with USB ports as well. We have a boatload of storage underneath this bed here. Wowie flippin' zowie. And then a big old mirrored closet here. Really easy to watch yourself sleep with these mirrors. Tons of space for hanging your clothes. And a decent view out of your master bedroom window here. HMU, if you got any questions on this honker, phone number's in the bio.